Okay, coaches, really important step here. This tutorial is going to focus on the data library. You see I'm here at my dashboard. Hopefully you've created the shortcut offensive play builder. I'm going to go right to the play builder and the wizard here. And this is really an area that needs to be developed before you start doing any of your plays. Over here on the left-hand side, we've created some buckets of information that we're going to use for reports. And these are all things that you're going to click on as you're creating your plays. We'll start here with concept. You can break your concepts down. You can see here I have 3-step, 4 verticals, bootleg, sprint pass. All of these are in here, and they're going to be important that you put these in here right away so that we can get some reports on what you're going to be doing for the week. It's pretty self evident of what you need to do here. Just type in the name. If you'd like to put in a description, you can. Okay. There's probably not going to be a flip for your concept. And then if you'd like to put the wristband abbreviation, you can do that as well. So if you'll see this one here, we've got 3-step QB, no flip, and then for the wristband. It does not have to get put on the wristband, but that's completely up to you. We'll go ahead and go to backfield, and we'll add the I backfield here. I don't have that in this one at this point. So this is going to be just good old-fashioned I backfield. I with a fullback. Okay. There is not going to be a flip at this point, and then we'll just put this in here as I. We'll save that. It'll be added. If you put something in there that you didn't need or you didn't want, you can just select it and actually delete it by doing this as well. I think it's really important that you understand how the flip works. So that's probably the most important part here in our data library. I'm going to go ahead and put in a play. The play is going to be called Ohio State. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Ohio State here. This is going to be a pass spacing concept. Okay. And for the abbreviation, we're going to make it O and then state. We're going to save that. For the play going right, it's going to be Buckeyes. And this is going to be spacing right. Okay. The abbreviation for us is going to be Buck. Eyes like that. Maybe we'll take out the C on this just to make it a little bit more easier for us. And now I need to go ahead and assign the flip for this. So when we want to flip plays going from left to right, we have to have both plays need to be created, and now I can save that. I need to go now back and go find the Ohio State play and make Buckeyes make that correlation for that as well. So these are in alphabetical order. I'm looking for O. Should be right around in here somewhere. Ohio State. There it is. That brings it up. We never did assign a flip because the play wasn't made. Obviously, Buckeyes is going to be the flip for that. And that's going to be really, really important when we're trying to flip plays. So I'm going to go ahead and update. You can see over here in my example here, I have Bears left. The opposite of Bears left is going to be Bears right. So that is the flip. And then the wristband is going to be on there. As we're going down here, you can see more examples, dagger right for dagger left, and that can be done. It's up to you if you have left and right. One of the great powers of Coach Tactics is the ability to be able to flip a whole play when you're using a play wizard, and you'll see that in our next section on creating plays. So you'll see here some more different types of line calls if you use line calls, the wristband, and then the flip as well. More than happy to help you at support@coachtactics.com. Hope you're having success and looking forward to working with you.